Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, find and open Cash App. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that you actually have a bank or a debit card attached to your Cash App profile. To do this, once you're inside of here on any of the menus, tap your profile icon on the top right of the page here. Inside of this next menu, you'll see under Account and Settings linked banks. Choose this. Now, if you have any accounts already attached to your Cash App account, you're going to see them listed here. But if this is the first time you've ever done this, then this menu is going to be blank. To connect your bank account, tap Link Bank. On this next screen, Cash App is just going to tell you that it uses Plaid for secure connections. Plaid allows the transfer of money between your bank and Cash App. It makes sure you have enough money inside of your account to complete purchases, and it helps prevent any fraud. At the bottom, tap Continue, and then on the next screen, search and find your bank account. After that, follow through the steps to log in and to authenticate your account. After that, and you confirm your bank account details, you'll see it here, listed in the linked accounts page. And now that we have that taken care of, we can go ahead and transfer our Cash App balance. Head back to the main Cash App screen, and then tap the Money tab, which is the first icon on the bottom menu bar. Once you're inside of here at the top, you'll see your cash balance and then the option to cash out. Choose this, and then you'll get a pop-up menu that allows you to choose how much money you want to cash out of your account. Use the slider to select the amount that you want to transfer to your bank account. And then after that, hit Cash Out at the bottom. You'll now have two options to choose from: Standard, which is free but takes a couple of days, or Instant Deposit, but will cost a small fee here. In my example, for instance, it's only a 25-cent fee to transfer instantly. Make your choice. And if you haven't already linked your bank account, it's going to ask you to do that now. If you already have more than one bank account listed, it'll also ask you to select which one you want to transfer to. Once you've made your choice, your money will then be scheduled for transfer or instantly transferred to your bank account. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Cash App to your bank. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.